Hello friends, hope you all are safe and healthy. Well, I've been getting queries on how to remove the background of any image without using any paid tools such as Adobe Photoshop or Slazer or any kind of other paid tools. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to this website called remove.bg, and once you go on this website, you'll reach this page where you need to upload the image of which you want to remove the background. So I'll click on upload image, and you need to upload the image from your desktop or laptop. So I'll upload this image which I already have on my computer. Now as you can see, this is the original image over here, and this is the preview after removing the background. So as you can see, this is totally clean and the entire background of this image has been removed. Now, what you can do is you can either directly download from here, or you can just preview the image, or you can preview the full image of this, and then if you're happy with the result, then you can click on download. Plus, another great option that we have is on this website is editing the image. Now, as you can see, you can edit the image, you can add any other background from this list of backgrounds on the image. So if I just click here, see, the background has been changed. I click here, the background has been changed. So if you're happy with this, then you can just click on download. Otherwise, you can just move out of this and you can just have this image without any background. And later on, you can have your own background added to it. So at this point of time, I'll just click on download, and it's downloaded over here. We can preview the image, and you can see that this is totally clean. It does not include any background. So this is how you can remove the background of any image without paying anything. Okay, so any questions you have, guys, you can mention in the comments below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to receive notifications for the future videos that I may add. Also click on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications as and when I upload the videos going forward. Thank you, and God bless you all.